wonderful day today. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my meatloaf. If you like this type of video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, ring that bell so you don't miss any notifications of upcoming videos. And also, leave a comment down below of something else you would like me to make. Okay, to start off, you're going to need 1 pound of ground beef and 1/3 of sausage. I'm going to use this natural sausage that has no sugar added. You're going to need 1 can of vegetable beef soup, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of poultry seasoning, and 1/4 cup of milk. I'm going to be using organic unsweetened almond milk. Then you're just going to mix it all together with your hands. Okay, once you have everything incorporated really well, you're just going to take a muffin tin. I have mine already ready with some silicone baking cups. If you're not using the silicone baking cups, make sure you spray the pan. Now this mixture should make 12. Okay, now that I have all 12 in the pan, I'm just going to take my ketchup that is sweetened with honey instead of sugar, and you just want to put a good layer over the top. Okay, now that you have the ketchup on top, you want to preheat your oven to 375 and bake this for 45 minutes. Okay, so it's been 45 minutes. My timer just went off. This is what they should look like whenever you first take them out. I'm going to let them sit a little bit so they're not so hot that when you pick them up, they'll just fall apart. So you want to let them sit about 10 minutes or so to let them solidify and cool down to hold their shape. If you like this type of video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you would, subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And then if you like this type of video, let me know down in the comments something else that you would like me to cook. Bye!